Welcome. This video introduces Coaching with Impact, the definitive system for developing teams and driving accountability. It is a proven system for coaching high-performance teams. Top producing teams are not born. They are selected, systematically developed, and coached to win. We believe that accountability drives performance and is the core driver for all organizational success. Our system involves custom assessments and practical training that ensure people are inherently accountable for their own performance. Managers are often overwhelmed, relying on grit and willpower, which compromises important areas of their lives. The reality is that 95% to 99% of people rely purely on grit and willpower, leading to chronic stress, pressure, and overwhelm. The Coaching with Impact framework installs operating excellence across three critical dimensions. Managers, coaches, advisors, and employees all need a precise system to plug into to improve time management, energy management, and performance and results. Managing effort to get results requires a deliberate methodology for deploying leadership time and attention. This involves understanding who you are coaching, discovering the key elements that drive performance, spending coaching time with the right people, and utilizing a four-step coaching system to hold others accountable. Transform your coaching into a performance standard with the continuous accountability loop. This involves understanding who you are coaching, understanding strengths and barriers, assessing actions and behaviors, and establishing measurable commitments. This turns coaching from a conversation into a performance system. The daily execution of the accountability loop is the precise mechanical engine that powers operating excellence across time management, energy management, and performance and results. By systematically establishing commitments, managers stop wasting time on the wrong activities and architect inevitable performance improvements. Implementing this system builds managers capable of systemic team development, allowing them to develop teams, not just manage them. This leads to more consistent coaching, faster development, improved retention and engagement, increased productivity, and clear accountability without micromanagement. The program is designed to ensure immediate and practical systems without operational disruption. It starts with a workshop delivery, moves to practical application with real coaching scenarios, and concludes with field readiness, where the system goes live with teams. We believe accountability is not a character trait you hope for. It is an operating system you install. Let's build a culture of commitment that drives action and improves performance. To learn more, contact RAD Potential Advisory by visiting our website at radpotential.com.